one of my compasses was, how do I make the audience cry? How do I make the audience laugh? I wanted to sort of wake people out of an apathy that I sensed within them and within myself as like someone trying to survive this crazy time. My name is Aviva Yarrow Skoblow, and I started at Hampshire in the fall of 2020. My div is a performance project titled This Medicine is Good that came out of a collaborative devising process in which I led an ensemble through relational practices informed heavily by Indigenous studies and by restorative practice studies. We performed it in the Div III dance concert in April. It was through dance where I was able to access the part of myself that was still able to tell a story and to feel grounded and to feel whole. I felt like I needed my body again. I've always been like connecting the dots between my different points of passion and pleasure, and so I knew at Hampshire I wouldn't have to sacrifice one for another. And this place is also just like a huge playground. Like Hampshire is just a playground full of freaks. It's awesome.